anything that belongs to those boys.
Well, who are you?
I'm Larry Boy.
What are you gonna do?
It's not nice to take people's milk money.
Hey, take it easy, fella. Don't get crazy. Hey! Whoa!
Oops.